Welcome to this clean and modern Pexeso memory game. Designed with a smooth gradient background, animated cards, and a simple 4x4 layout, this project combines playful visuals with intuitive interaction. Click any card, try to find its pair, and enjoy the satisfying flip animation. Let's take a closer look at how it works. This Pexeso memory game is built using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The layout centers a container that holds a title, a 4x4 grid of cards, and a restart button. Each card is styled with rounded corners, smooth transitions, and a color change animation that appears when it flips. When a card is clicked, it reveals one of 8 fruit emojis, each appearing exactly twice. JavaScript controls the game logic. At the beginning, the deck is created by duplicating the 8 symbols, shuffling them, and generating 16 clickable cards. When the player flips the first card, the game waits for the second. If both symbols match, the cards stay flipped. If not, they turn back after a short delay, giving the player time to remember their position. A simple lock mechanism prevents the user from clicking additional cards while the 2 flipped ones are being compared, ensuring smooth gameplay. The restart button resets the entire board, reshuffling the cards and letting the player start over instantly. The project showcases how a small amount of clean code can create an interactive, polished, and visually engaging memory game. It's a great example of combining logic, styling, and animation to produce a fun and modern web minigame. Simple, elegant, and built with just a few lines of code. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, there's more on the way.